Alright, this is where I was thinking of sleeping last night, in this old Folly. I don't think it was ever a real building. It was built as a Folly, built as a fallen down whatever, for the garden of a rich person's house. Actually, the house was it's about 1,000 years old, and it was owned by King Athelstan of England. There's deer everywhere around here, so you can hear noises. So I was going to stay here. This would have been quite a cool, airy kind of place to stay. So I think I'll have a little seat there, get a cup of coffee on. So, got the brew finally, and thanks for watching again. And if you like this kind of content, please do me a massive favour and subscribe to my channel. So it was a lovely walk today, or yesterday I should say. We went through the Bluebell Woods, through the Ramsden Woods, did the Dorset Gap. I've been meaning to go back there for many years, Dorset Gap. It's been really nice. Spent the night in the farmer's field. Thank you, farmer. And then potted down here. So remember, this is where I was going to stay, which would have been a bit of an eerie night, probably. Probably better where I was, but yeah, I could always come back here because I work just over the road. So anyway, thanks for watching. And if you like this, don't forget to subscribe. And also have a look through my back catalogue. I've got almost 1,000 videos of places I've been, things I've done, hikes in Kilimanjaro hikes, a few of those, dirt biking in the Pyrenees with Austin Vince. Look him up if you don't know who he is. What else? Living in China for 8 years, hiking through China, going up Minya Konka, just loads of stuff. Living in Philippines, Thailand, traveling everywhere. Taking my son to Taiwan. Yeah, there's loads of interesting stuff. You might be interested in doing some of it yourself. So have a little look. Again, thanks for watching, and hope you enjoyed it. Take care of yourself, and see you on the next one. Bye for now. Bye bye, Folly.